Okay. Yeah, that camel looks a little bit more angry. Oh, we just got abandoned in the middle of the Sahara desert. No water, no food. How long will we last? You're running so gay, dude. Oh, dude. Guys, we're in Morocco. Go! Fuck, dude. Why?
Yeah, you think it's funny, but it actually came out fucking nasty.
Oh wow, dude, it did. Look at that, guys. YouTube world. Tell me if you like it. Leave a comment below.
Or shit on it.
Or shit on it. Right here in Marzuga Desert, the Sahara Desert. After like an all-day drive, finally made it, and it is pretty epic. These are our camels?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey. Alright, we're taking an hour camel trek to our camp.
You like it? If you need anything, just leave it. You take it.
No, we'll take it. Take my bag. I don't trust nobody. Check out these guys. Look at this, Justin. Can I just touch the sand real quick? Oh.
How are you?
Marzuga, beautiful desert. Oh, these guys are so mad. I don't know where I'm from.
Let's watch the dog. Come in front of you.
Okay, yeah, that camel looks a little bit more angry.
So dog's out, so white one. And lean back, lean back.
Hey. Good. This guy gonna bite me or something?
And lean back. Hold on, hold on.
Yep. Hey. What's up, guy?
Hey guys.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Where you from?
England.
England. All right.
You guys?
USA, Boston.
So nice.
Boston.
Yeah, man.
What's your name?
Robbie.
Robbie, nice to meet you.
You?
Jiva.
Go.
Jiva? You?
Joel.
Joel?
Yeah.
It's my buddy Justin behind me.
Hello.
Oh, this Cam's on the phone. YouTube star Cam.
Oh my god.
Yeah, dude, we're on a camel.
You gotta take a picture of that.
Take it.
They're on quads over there?
Oh my god.
Dude. What's up, guys? I think we're doing like a, I don't know, quick picture break or something. No idea. But he just pointed to go up in this direction. I don't know if we're walking the rest of the way. Probably just taking a picture. Man, it's not easy walking on this shit. Oh wow. Great view. Yeah, we're walking, huh? Dude. See you later, guy. Oh, we just got abandoned in the middle of the Sahara desert. No water, no food. How long will we last?
Not long. See the snake track?
Oh yeah. Would it be easier to take my shoes off? Justin, are you smiling, dude? Look at that smile on his face, guys. He did it. He's finally happy here.
Well, I was happy at the monkeys.
Yeah, the monkey place is pretty cool. Look at that guy. That's awesome. It's just like a fucking sea of endless dunes, dude. Sand. You're running so gay, dude.
It's the uphill. It's the uphill. It's the uphill.
Oh, dude. Guys, we're in Morocco. Go! Fuck, dude. We almost didn't do this fucking tour. We didn't have time. And the guy's like, yeah, we got 1 day tours. Hopped right on it. Well, not really. We're like back and forth about it. So far, totally worth it.
Send you that photo after I post mine.
Justin doesn't like the idea we have the same photos. Dude, where? Oh, there he is. Where are we going, man? Where'd the camels go? He just fucking leave them too?
Yeah, he said fuck.
He said, fuck the camels.
It's on the horizon. I'll get one more of you.
All right. What should I do? Something funny?
Stay like that.
All right. Why?
Yeah, you think it's funny, but it actually came out fucking nasty.
Oh wow, dude, it did. Look at that, guys. YouTube world. Tell me if you like it. Leave a comment below.
Or shit on it.
Or shit on it. Like the kid in me, the child in me, the immature part of me, it just wants to roll down these fucking sand dunes.
Do it.
No, I don't want to get all sandy.
It's sand.
It is true, it's just sand.
I don't know if it's gonna be as soft as you think.
I don't think it is either. I don't know if we're supposed to stay with our guide, because we have no idea. We're gonna be those stupid Americans on the news that get lost in the desert.
You have sand in your shoes?
Yeah, I feel it for sure. I'm so fucking happy here. The air is nice. It feels so good too. We're in the middle of January, warm weather still. I'm sure it's gonna get cold tonight though. But me and Justin are sharing a tent, and we're gonna cuddle up in the bed. We got 2 separate beds. I don't know, man.
Always trying to cuddle with me.
I am. Are you excited for the campfire tonight, Justin? With dinner? I am. Jack Daniels, because our tour guide is awesome. And he has a bottle of Jack Daniels. I don't really drink, but this guy's an alcoholic. Hey, Justin.
Not really.
No, he's not. I'm just kidding.
I've only drank twice this whole trip.
Yeah, you have really.
I know. And it was like
Just
three-
a couple.
3 or 4 drinks.
Yeah, just a couple things.
When-
Just a
when-
couple things and some chicken
When have
wings.
you seen me drunk?
Huh?
When have you seen me drunk?
Not on this trip. But I've seen you
Ever?
drunk.
Oh yeah, maybe.
You've seen me drunk too.
Yeah. I'm just saying,
Yeah.
I'm not a drunk.
No, I think we're supposed to go with our tour guide. Yeah. All right, let's go back.
You scared?
Nah, man. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, we're in the fucking desert, so yeah.